What's up guys? I'm gonna try the new AirPod Pros. Try the new AirPod Pros and see if the noise cancellation is good for shooting a pistol. I've got a 1911. We're gonna see how loud it is. I've got some custom in-ears, so we're gonna compare that to this. Just like to be expected, nothing too loud. I'm gonna try these on. So I'm gonna put these on. They're in transparency mode right now. Transparency mode so I can hear you still. So you hear like a little bit of static, which is all the air. And then what I do is I hold down a button. I don't hear the wind anymore. It's pretty nice. All right, we're gonna try this. Noise cancellation on. Wow. I can literally just use these. Is it on?
Yeah.
Gone.
Hold the line, all
right, hold the line. What do you think?
They're freaking quiet.
Dude,
can't hear anything.
The wind is gone.
No wind.
That's so good.
You get killed in these.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I can use those.
But can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like perfect.
But when there's more than certain decimal, you can't hear it, yeah? But you can hear me right now. I can't hear. Can you hear this?
Yeah, perfectly. It's like you're coming through a mic.
I'm talking to you.
What?
You good?
Holy crap.
Yeah? They're just like headphones.
It changes the sound of the shot.
You want to try
it's
it?
Like muffled.
All right, so I've shot, Torrance shot, we have Bomb over here. This is right ear. So he has some fancy ones. What brands do you have right now? You have some fancy ones. Howard Light, this is noise cancellation, right?
Yep.
So tell me how this compares to this. Yeah, it's quiet.
Did you just call me this?
All right, here.
That's nice.
All right, here. Bro.
Hey, not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
So how does it compare to that? Your big ones.
It's weird. It's like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
the sound's really tight.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It's not creeping up to your ear. It doesn't break.
Yeah. You want to try
Hey,
it?
not bad, dude.
Try the noise cancellation AirPods.
I never thought that. It's.
Try these.
Jesus Christ. Loud as fuck.
it didn't work, bro.
You know why? You know why? Because your ear hole is really big.
Your ear hole was big. Get out of here. I guess it didn't work for you.
No, we lied.
It doesn't work at all.
Good one, guys.
No, so they have different tips for this. So they have, this is the small tip actually. So we're all little tips. He's the big boy. He's got a big tip. So these are, oh shit, my music turned on. Okay. Noise cancellation. Oh, you know what?
It was off.
I think it was off. You want to try it again? So I think one of these guys turned it off on him. So it was off. That's why he has transparency mode, which if you do it, you can hear the wind again, like his normal voice. When you turn it on, it's completely off. Fuck, that sucks.
Just one hand, the lazy man load. Yeah.
Oh, Rambo. Okay. Okay, Rambo.
Going hot.
Terminator reload.
It actually, it actually muffled the shotgun sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
You want to do it again?
Definitely, yeah, go ahead. Damn, that's a big asshole. So far, shooting pistol with the AirPod Pros are good. Like it works just fine. They're shooting over there right now. We've got more over here, and Torrance got some more over there. We have a steel target, but it's missing 2 freaking bolts. So the verdict on this is, yeah, it is actually pretty nice. This is empty, by the way. It was very, very nice. Like you can actually use the AirPod Pros to shoot. I would suggest outdoors for sure. Indoors, it's a little bit loud because of the echo. I wouldn't suggest it at all. This is my M&P Pro, the gun that I really, really trust. It's definitely empty. So I'm gonna switch this out, put on my Kydex holster that I made, man, back in 2013, 14 maybe? Long time ago. And it's still good. I've got even these magazine holsters right here. So earlier we were shooting with the 45, now we're gonna switch over to a 40. Noise cancellation is currently on now, and it's super quiet. So I've got the AirPods on, he's shooting, and it's like, I wouldn't suggest using these to shoot all the time, but it's definitely really helpful with noise cancellation on. With it off, yeah, you're gonna die. But with it on, pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. In a pinch, if you forget them, why not? I mean, I can turn on some music while I'm shooting. But these right here, if you have these, are really helpful. If you have the huge ones, they're obviously way better. But if you have the little foam ones, definitely these are way better than the little foam ones you stick in your ear. Oh yeah. There's 3 shells on top, so we're gonna all try to hit them. We have, hey, 10 rounds. Gotta be honest, 10 rounds. And then I'm gonna try a really bad idea of using the AirPods with 4 people shooting. Let's see. Hey.
Shot by, fucker!
God damn it. You shoot it all door? Get the fuck out. Oh shit! Oh god, he shot mine. Did you shoot mine?
He shot it. But he shot the wood, too.
Oh my god. Oh shit! Tor, get over here. Tor shot your 3?
I shot one and it all fell.
Oh, fucking liar. So you shot one of mine, right?
I shot one of mine, shot 2 of his.
Shot 2 of mine.
Shot one of yours.
I shot one of mine. That shit is so hard. Did you shoot any?
I got 2 of them.
Ah, that shit was so hard. Okay, so I've got the AirPods Pros back on. Bomb's gonna shoot his shotgun. He's got buckshot in there. I'm gonna see how loud it is. I'm roughly about 5 yards from him. Probably a bad idea, but gotta let it loose. It's hot. Hot. Not bad.
How's that sound?
Not bad. No, not bad at all. Doable. All right, I'm running over. Bomb is shooting. Oh my god. Jeez. He destroyed it. This is Bomb, the Bomb Squad. We've known each other for too damn long. We're big gun guys. So I'm gonna show you him. He's gonna shoot his shotty a little bit.
It's actually bombastic, but all right.
Bombast or Bompton.
Bompton! Bompton's going hot! All right, the baby's safe. The baby's safe. We saved the day.
Drop the baby! Look how, holy crap. Oh yeah. Ready? Good. Yep.